Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and today I have a tutorial for you guys, just eyeshadows. I feel like this is easy, not that easy, especially if you're using black eyeshadows and they're so pigmented. It can get tricky, but I will try to explain to you guys step by step on how to work dark eyeshadows so you can get a nice smoky eye, or this isn't even a smoky. Is it a smoky eye? I don't think it's a smoky eye. And I love pairing brown eyeshadows with a bright lipstick. It's gorgeous. I'm actually wearing this new neon liner from LA Girl. This is their Shockwave lip liner all over the lips and I love it. Anyways, before we get started, I would like for you guys to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're new, subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. I do upload in English and in Spanish every week, and yeah, let's start the tutorial. Okay, I'm gonna start by applying this primer from Fenty Beauty. It's very sheer and I'm gonna put it all over my eyelid, and to blend it out I'm using my finger and I'm gonna make sure it's nice and even on my eyelid all the way up to my brow bone. I'm going to let it dry for a few seconds. Then I'm using the Anastacio Soft Glam palette. I'm going to go into this eyeshadow right here, very light brown. And using this brush from Coastal Scents, I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. I'm going to tap it onto my eyelid first. And then once it's on my eyelid, I'm going to slowly start blending it out into my crease. And I like to do that in circular motions or going back and forth very lightly on my crease. Then I'm going to go into this darker brown using the same brush. I'm going to apply it just on the outer corner of my eyelid, and then again I'm going to blend it out with the very tip of the brush. Then I'm going to go into this one right here with this small brush from Coastal Scents, and I'm going to put it on the same spot, the outer part of my eyelid. I like to tap it on there again and then blend it out with the tip of the brush. And you guys saw that I started with light brown eyeshadows, and now I'm going into the darker eyeshadows, and that just helps you to blend out dark eyeshadows better. They just like fade into the lighter shades. Now using a clean blending brush, I'm blending out all the eyeshadows together. This one's the Morphe R37. And now with the black eyeshadow, using the same small brush, I'm going to tap it onto the outer corner of my eyelid as close as I can to my lash line. I'm going to tap it there and then slowly work my way up towards my crease, but just keeping it on the outer part of my eyelid. And again, I'm going to use the same brush to blend it out on my crease. I like doing this because the brush still has a little bit of the black eyeshadow, which helps blend it out better. Now using again blending brush, I'm going to blend it out. Now I'm going to go into the shimmery eyeshadow using the Real Techniques detailer brush to put it on the inner corner of my eye. I like to add a little pop. The eyelashes I'll be wearing are from iikonn. These are Trust Issues, my favorite eyelashes from them. I will never get tired of using these. I do have a discount code if you guys would like to purchase some of these eyelashes and save some money. I will have the link to their website in the description box below. Now I'll be applying this mascara from Covergirl on my lower lashes. I love this mascara because this just makes your eyelashes just stand out a little more, but they look so natural, very pretty. And last but not least, I'm going to apply this highlighter from Anastacio with the Real Techniques brush on my brow bone. This really makes your eyebrows stand out a little more. It makes your eyeshadow look nicer, and just everything all together looks nice. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. And also, I will have all the makeup details, everything that I'm wearing on my face. I will have them in the description box below if you guys are interested. And what else? Any video requests you guys would like to see, leave them in the comment section below. And that's it. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!